Chris, the field application engineer in Nuvoton technology. Today I will introduce the ICP Applied Programming with Nu-Link2-Pro.
Nu-Link2-Pro has three interfaces to download offline data. 1. USB flash drive. 2. SD card. 3. Embedded SPI flash from Nu-Link2-Pro, sent as Nu-Link offline downloading. Please pay special attention here. If you connect all three interfaces at the same time, the Nu-Link2-Pro will first use the file in USB flash drive, and then the SD card, and the last is SPI flash. First, we need to go to the official website of Nuvoton to download the ICP tool and the reference connection circuit. After installing the ICP tool, we execute it. Let's start with embedded SPI flash of Nu-Link2-Pro. First, select the AP-ROM file we want to program. And then, confirm the AP-ROM of the file data is what we want to program. Then, go to Program option and check Offline Programming Mode and press Start. After finishing previous steps, confirm the AP-ROM of offline flash is file matched. Then, we disconnect ICP Programming Tool and press the button on the Nu-Link2-Pro. After finish, reconnect the ICP tool and confirm the AP-ROM of onboard flash is file matched. Next, I will show you how to use the USB drive or SD card ICP offline programming. At first, please plug the USB drive or SD card into the Nu-Link2-Pro and then enter the tool, create offline USB SD file to save the Nu-Link2.s file in your PC. And we need to drag and drop the file to a USB flash drive or SD card. Then, disconnect the ICP Programming Tool and press the button on the Nu-Link2-Pro to download the program into target chip. Reconnect the ICP tool and confirm the AP-ROM of onboard flash is file matched.
That's all for the tutorial of Nu-Link2-Pro ICP Applied Programming. Thanks for watching it. If you want to get more information, please contact us. Thank you.